That's a big plane. A
Big plane?
Yes, it's a small plane.
Good job. Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Welcome to Pink and Blue. I see you.
Pink and blue, I see you. They got a plane.
Today is gonna be so much fun. We're making this airplane from the paper. It's very easy. It's very easy and it's very fun. All we need is sheet of paper and some markers to decorate. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so here's our paper. We're gonna fold it into half. So we take the short side and we fold it to the other short side in half, like this. Let me show you one more time. So we took the short side and we fold it to the other side, like this. Now, let's unfold our paper and find the longer side. Did you find it? Yeah, it's this side. This is the longer side. Now, we take the corner. This is the corner of the paper, and we drag it to the middle fold, like this. Here's our middle fold. We just press it down like this. We take the other corner and we drag it to the middle like this. Now, we grab the paper and we fold it in half. But now, we let the flaps outside, like this. Now we grab this side and we fold it right here. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. Did yours came out like this? Great job, everyone! Now we put the flaps up and look at that! We just made an airplane! Now is the fun part, decorating! Let's use some markers. To do a rainbow. We love rainbows, do we? The red is the first color. Let's do it right here. Okay. What's the next color? Orange. Yes, orange comes after red. What's our next color? Yellow. Our next color is green. Our next color is blue. Our next color is purple. That's it. We love this rainbow. Should we do the same thing at the other side? Should we? We are doing a new rainbow, everybody.
Black.
Black in the rainbow?
Yes. I need the black.
There we go. Good job. That was so much fun. Well, this was for today's video, everyone. We did some airplanes out of the paper. We decorate them. Thanks to my son, he joined me today. Alright friends, thank you so much for being here today. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Grown-ups, support our channel by subscribing here on YouTube. This is the way to let us know that you enjoy watching our videos. Please like and share so others can join here too. Thank you.
Thank you. I see you. I see you. I see you.